guys, nandito tayo sa Miagao, Iloilo. So, ang ganda-ganda niya. A very historical place. Ang ganda. Ganda niya guys. This is a very old very old church or cathedral. Ganda niya. Grabe. Thanks to my hubby for taking me here. Diba? Napaka-old niya. Akala kong old. Sumbahan is old. Ito pa pala siya. Grabe. Salapitan natin. So ito yung paligid. Nandito tayo sa Miagao. Part pa rin siya ng Iloilo. Pero so kinakabayan ako ng hobby ko. This is the Miagao Church. So, the construction of this church began in 1787 while Fray Francisco M. Gonzalez, OSA, was parish priest of this town, and Domingo de Boon was gobernadorcillo. The church was completed in 1797. It served as fortress against Muslim raiders in 1898. During the revolution, the church was destroyed. Subsequently rebuilt, it was damaged by fire in 1910. It was badly damaged by earthquake in 1948. Restoration work began in 1960 and completed in 1962. During the term of office of Most Reverend Director Jose Maria Cuenco, D.D. Metropolitan Archbishop of Haro, of Monsignor Fernando Javillo, OP, parish priest of this town, and Joscoro Moeda, municipal mayor. Ayan. So, ito ang Miagao Church. Ang ganda-ganda.